Animals Hospital Doctor 3.
I love you.
Come back every day and get more coins. Welcome to the Animal Hospital. Ooh, Carlos spotted some angry fishes. Catch them! Oh no! He ate them all! Lick his tummy to help him burp.
No.
Let's prepare for an ultrasound.
No.
Check his tummy. What is this? Let's examine him with this device. Turn it on. Oh no! I see some trash in there. First, remove the fish bones. Now let's use a magnet. What's that green stuff? Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs. Suction, please. Now his tummy looks just fine. Turn it off, please. Yay! Carlo feels great again. You are the best doctor. Welcome to the Animal Hospital. Hey there.
I love you.
Oh, Benny fell in love with Daisy. Let's take him to the hospital. Oh, poor Benny is sweating. Wipe it off. Let's listen to his heart. Catch the hearts. We have to check his blood pressure. Pump it. Yep, he's in love. What's going on in his stomach? Turn it on. Catch those butterflies. Our job is done. We know the diagnosis. Let's help Benny to get ready for a date. Dress him up. Perfect style. So cute. Super!
I love you.
Oh, love is in the air. Thank you for your help. Congratulations! You got a reward. Welcome to the Animal Hospital. Judy's doghouse is too small. She's shivering. Poor Judy got sick. Put the scarf on her neck. Let's check her temperature. Oops! Wipe off the snot. Take it out. Oh no! She has a fever. Let's check her nose. Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs. Use the suction. Let's take a closer look. red. Spray some medicine. Miss Judy would like some tea. Pour it, please. Now give it to her. It helped. You can take the scarf off. Can you dress up Miss Judy? You got style. Perfect. Yay! Good job. Now she's not afraid of the rain. Congratulations! You got a reward. Welcome to the animal hospital. Mrs. Pixley just got back from vacation. Chase the mosquitoes away from her. Good! Now take off her hat and sunglasses. Ooh, Mrs. Pixley would love to take a mud bath. She loves it. Wash it off. Let's heal the mosquito bites. Open the box. Apply it, please. Much better. Put the robe on. Good job. Apply a cooling face mask to treat the sunburn. And cucumbers for some freshness. Flip the cloth. And wait for a few minutes. Now, remove the slices. Clean her face, please. Almost done. Good job! Mrs. Pixley's skin looks great. She will use sunscreen next time. Welcome to the animal hospital. Billy the donkey ate too much candy. Now he has a toothache. Poor Billy, let's help him. First, turn on the lamp. Let's take a closer look. Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs. Good job! Now it's time to remove the bad tooth and put in a new one. Great! Now take care of the other teeth. Let's fill in the holes. Polish the teeth for a perfect look. Good job, Billy. Here is a badge. Help Billy to get rid of the candies. Click it. Thank you so much. Billy feels great and will eat more vegetables. Welcome to the animal hospital. Gary tried to save his chicks and got beaten by a fox. First, remove these plants. Great! Now brush his feather. Put some ice on his eyes. Let's cure the wounds. Apply the bandage. give it some time to heal. Remove it. Here he feels much better. Add the missing feather. Good job! He looks perfect again. Congratulations! You got a reward. Play more and get more flowers. Welcome to the animal hospital. Ooh, a coin tree. Welcome to the animal hospital. Farm Animals Hospital Doctor 3.
I love you. I love you.